So this is the question number 20 from CBSE midterm paper 2021, and this question comes under the topic class 11th Python revision. So in this particular question, it has been asked out of the given four option, which one is the not a tuple in Python. So let's take a look at options one by one, and we will try to figure out which one is the not a tuple in Python. So first one is the tuple in a Python, because tuple क्या होता है आपका combination of elements, यानी it consists elements and each and every element is followed by a comma. Okay, now this is also a correct one. This is also correct one. This is the incorrect one. This is not a tuple in Python. ये क्या है आपका एक string है. क्यों? क्योंकि सिंगल एलिमेंट टपल के लिए क्या होना चाहिए था आपका? इट शुड बी फॉलोड बाय ए कॉमा. दिस इज योर सिंगल एलिमेंट टपल. So for this question, option number D is the correct one. Now based on this information, I want you to answer this practice question in the comment box. किस particular question का क्या answer आएगा? Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.